The PN60 is the latest generation of ultra-compact, lightweight mini PC from ASUS. For the more demanding user, this mini PC can be easily customized to the configuration you need. It measures 4.5 inches square by 1.9 inches tall and weighs in at only 1.5 pounds. This PC's small size makes it ideal for keeping a tidy workstation or for mounting to the rear of a monitor. But don't mistake its small size for a lack of processing power or utility. This PC is equipped with an 8th generation Intel i3 processor, 4K-ready Intel UHD graphics 620, up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, full wireless connectivity with 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These powerful internal components allow the mini PC to output up to 4K resolution to multiple displays through HDMI, mini DisplayPort, and VGA. The PN60 is also easy to customize with expandable memory and storage. On the front, you'll find a single USB 2.0 port, dual USB 3.1 ports with one Type-C connection, and an audio jack. On the back panel, you'll find an HDMI port, a single USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C connection, two USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, gigabit LAN, and the DC power input. There's also the option for VGA, DisplayPort, COM port, HDMI, or LAN port on the rear panel. These port options make the PN60 compatible with legacy devices that drive your business, such as printers, barcode scanners, and digital signage. If you have any questions about the PN60 mini PC, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hi guys, this is Marcus from ASUS, here with another new and very exciting product, ASUS Chromebox. ASUS Chromebox is the latest Chrome OS computer made in partnership with Google and the perfect device that gets you to the internet quickly and without hassle. It measures at just over 4.5 inches at each side. It is VESA mountable, so you can fasten it to a compatible display like our VESA mount ready monitors. It has more ports than a Chromebook with USB 3.0, SD card reader, DisplayPort, and HDMI port, letting you choose your own screen size and even connect to two displays at once. Along with that, Chromebox features high-speed dual-band wireless connectivity and an Ethernet port for a fast and reliable internet connection. Another great thing about Chromebox is the performance in Chrome OS. It is very fast. The first time I set it up, I simply turned it on, logged into my Google account, a process that took me about 15 seconds. And then startup each time after is only about 5 seconds. Doesn't sound like much, but if your PC takes about 30 seconds or longer each time, you will notice a huge difference. ASUS Chromebox features the new 4th generation Intel Haswell processor and 16 gigabyte SSD, letting you multitask exceptionally well. And with the Core i3 model, it supports up to 4K playback. If you already use the Chrome browser, you're already familiar with Chrome OS, as it instantly loads all your settings, bookmarks, and extensions. And with the thousands of Chrome OS apps, you get access to games, productivity apps, and other fun and useful stuff. Add to that the fact that you don't need an internet connection to use offline apps like word processing and games, and you have an always accessible computer for anything you need to do. Sharing Chromebox with friends and families is simple. Just sign out of your account, and another person can sign in and instantly have all their settings loaded while keeping their information private and secure when they log out. Chrome OS is very intuitive to use, and is constantly being updated by Google with new features, performance enhancements, and security updates, all while not forcing you to restart your system. Asus Chromebox has a separately sold mouse and keyboard that is specially designed with unique Chrome OS shortcuts that makes using Chrome OS even faster and easier. So there you have it. Asus Chromebox gets you to your internet the way you want without intrusive updates, several port options including dual display support, the best performance for a Chrome OS computer, and even more. And the best part of Chromebox is, it starts at just $179. Click the link in the below description for more information on the Asus Chromebox, including where you can buy one of your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
We're at Computex Taipei in Taiwan, one of the biggest computing and technology shows in the world. And we are surrounded by cutting-edge technology on the Zotac stand. Over here is Zotac gaming with some desktop PCs. Over here is our massive esports stage with a worldwide tournament on it. And in the middle here, many products I want to show you. This one is the CI660 Nano. This is a passively cooled mini PC, and this in fact is the latest generation of something that Zotac has been pioneering and pushing the limit on for 5 years. Because 5 years ago, Zotac were the first company to make a passively cooled mini PC. The CI660 Nano is the newest version of that. It has amazing ventilation. You can actually see all the way right through it. But even with that, you don't need to worry about positioning this somewhere with loads of wind and with loads of clear airflow. The brilliant passive cooling in here will make the most of whatever situation you put it in. And that is to run an 8th gen i7. That's what's in the CI660 Nano. It's also got HDMI and display ports and USB 3s and everything you would expect, including brilliant networking too. You can mount it anywhere with a plate that attaches to the bottom, so you can use this in situations like home cinema. If you're really into that and you want to make the best cinematic experience you can, you need a silent PC. That's what this will do for you. Similarly, audio files, if you're less about the cinematic picture and more about the quality of the music, everything in here is what you need, and then it won't make a sound to interfere with your listening experience. Plus, these are really good in display signage situations because you can mount it anywhere. You don't have to worry about its ventilation. You can put it up, hang it behind screens, use it to display 2 of them. Really good in any kind of retail environments that you might want to put that in. That's the CI660 Nano from Zotac, and you can find out more at zotac.com.